We're going to look at conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Conditional formatting is a useful tool to help show patterns and trends in data, making it easier to understand, interpret, and analyze. Here we have a table showing a number of different marketing activities, with several different columns covering financial budget, revenue, and profit figures, as well as details of targeted and engaged users. Let's start by looking at the budget column. We highlight the data and go to conditional formatting in the Styles section of the Home tab. When we click this, a number of options appear. We're going to start with applying a color scale to apply a color gradient to our range of cells. As I hover over the options, I can see what they look like in my table. I'm going to go with this one that handily shows my higher budget items in red and the lower ones in green. Now let's look at the revenue column. Here I want to highlight campaigns that have generated a revenue of over £5,000. So I simply go to Conditional Formatting, select Highlight Cell Rules and choose Greater Than. In the value box I'm going to put 5,000 and for the formatting I'm going to select Green Fill with green text. And now we have all our higher revenue campaigns highlighted in green. Now onto the profit column. We select our data and now we want to see our top 3 most profitable campaigns. No problem. We go to Conditional Formatting and select Top Bottom Rules. Now we don't have an option here for top 3, but don't worry. We can simply go to More Rules and change the value from top 10 to top 3. We click on Format to set what we want to appear for the cells that match our rule. In this case, I want to fill the cell yellow. Once selected, I click OK and OK again, and there we go. Our top 3 most profitable campaigns are highlighted. Now let's look at some data bars. We select our targeted user data, then on to Conditional Formatting and Data Bars. Here we can either choose a gradient fill or a solid fill. I think I'll go with a gradient. And there you go. We now have a series of data bars to represent the number of targeted users visually. The higher the number, the longer the bar. It is also possible to create a custom rule. Let's add one to our engaged user column. We go to Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. Let's highlight cells between 2 values. So we choose Format Only Cells that contain, then Cell Value, Between, and let's go 500 and 5,000. And then to Format, and let's fill the cells blue. We OK and OK again. And now you can see we have cells between 500 and 5,000 highlighted. If we ever want to change our rules or remove them, we can do so by clicking Conditional Formatting and selecting either Clear Rules, where we have a number of options on what we clear from selected cells to the entire sheet, or Manage Rules, where we can create new rules, edit existing ones, delete or duplicate them. And that is how you can use conditional formatting to transform your data into visual insights. From highlighting values to using color scales and data bars, you now have the skills to help you transform your data, making it easier to understand and analyze. Try applying conditional formatting to your own data. Experiment with different rules and see how it helps you quickly identify trends and patterns. Thanks for watching.